Welcome to another riveting episode of Masterminds in Maintenance. I'm your host, Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of Upkeep. Today we're journeying into the intricate world of maintenance and reliability, where we'll explore insights from industry leaders. You're in for an enlightening discussion with Tim Rice, an experienced professional with a 15-year track record in reliability, primarily within mining and mineral processing industries. So, if you're part of a maintenance or operations team, stay tuned as we unravel the potential impact of defect elimination on productivity and profitability. Now, we're thrilled to share the insights from Tim Rice, a seasoned professional with about 15 years in the reliability realm, primarily in the mining and mineral processing industries. Tim, originally from Australia and now based in Salt Lake City, brings a wealth of knowledge from his hands-on experience and educational background in mechanical engineering and maintenance management. Tim's journey into the world of maintenance started from childhood, where his curiosity led him to dismantle and reassemble things, sparking a lifelong passion for understanding and improving mechanical and electrical systems. This curiosity guided him through mechanical engineering and into roles that allowed him to be directly involved with the equipment he was passionate about. In our conversation, Tim emphasizes the significant impact of defect elimination in the industry. He defines a defect, drawing from Winston LeDay, as anything that erodes value. This broad definition opens up defect elimination to encompass not just breakdowns, but also any inefficiencies that affect productivity and profitability. Tim discusses how defect elimination is not just about fixing what's broken, but about enhancing processes to prevent value erosion, which can even extend to complying with environmental regulations to avoid fines. One of the key takeaways from Tim's experience is the proactive approach to defect elimination. He notes that many companies wait until problems pile up before they start to address them. However, engaging with frontline workers can provide immediate insights into the most pressing issues, as these individuals interact with the defects daily. For those looking to start a defect elimination program, Tim advises that it should be a company-wide initiative. It's crucial to have the right people in the right roles and to ensure everyone from maintenance to operations and even vendors are involved and informed about the goals of defect elimination. Communication and engagement across the organization are vital. Tim stresses the importance of not working in silos, but instead fostering a collaborative environment where everyone is part of the solution. This approach not only helps in identifying defects early, but also in creating a culture where defect elimination is a shared responsibility. Interestingly, Tim points out that many defects are introduced during the design phase of a project. He references a concept known from reliability conferences, suggesting that the cost of fixing a defect in the design phase is significantly lower than during later stages. This highlights the importance of thorough planning and consideration in the early stages to avoid costly fixes down the line. Tim also touches on the human factors in defect introduction, noting that while it's easy to blame individuals, many defects arise from systemic issues like inadequate training or changes in equipment expectations. Thus, understanding the root cause of defects is crucial, and Tim recommends using methodologies like the 5 whys to drill down to the underlying issues. Finally, Tim discusses the cultural aspect of defect elimination. Creating an environment where team members can discuss issues without fear of blame is essential for continuous improvement. This culture encourages everyone to own their part in the process and to learn from mistakes collectively. To sum up, defect elimination is a powerful tool, not just for maintenance teams, but for entire organizations. It requires a proactive, inclusive approach and a culture that fosters open communication and continuous improvement. For those interested in following Tim's journey or learning more about defect elimination, connecting with him on LinkedIn is a great start. And keep an eye out for his upcoming book and resources on defect elimination. And that's a wrap for today's episode. We've explored the importance of defect elimination, the need for a proactive approach, and the value of a collaborative culture. We hope you found this insightful. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more discussions on maintenance and reliability. To learn more about Upkeep's tools and resources for maintenance and reliability teams, visit upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next episode. Until then, keep eliminating defects and boosting reliability in your operations.